Welcome to my meditation channel, and today we're going to discuss 12 signs your meditation is working. The first sign. First of all, you might experience in your meditation a sense of this ripple effect that comes out from the center the more you move into harmony. This is not something that develops overnight, but with prolonged practice in meditation, this ripple effect is this sense of calmness, this sense of peace, this sense of tranquility that kind of exudes from you. And it's a simple sign that your meditation is really working well. The second sign your meditation is working is that you have increased awareness around you, you have added clarity, you see things for what they are. You feel a certain stillness that resides inside you. And there's a certain sense of connectedness in your meditation practice, but also connectedness to people around you and to the world at large. This is a beautiful state to enjoy. And as you build on your meditation practice, you'll find that increases over time. The third sign your meditation is working well is there's a greater sense of happiness. It's a happiness that comes from inside. It's not something that's based on external events that are happening in your life. A new relationship, a new job, passing an exam, all of those external factors in your life, they come and they go. But when you've been meditating for a while and it's really working for you, there's a sense of happiness, a sense of alignment that comes bringing that happiness inside yourself, and that flows through into your sense of well-being and into your life in general. The fourth sign that your meditation is working is a sense of being held in meditation. As your meditation practice gets stronger and stronger, there's a sense in your meditation of being held. You've been wrapped up in cotton wool. And this is a beautiful feeling, a beautiful state to have in meditation. The more you persist with your meditation, the stronger that sense will grow. And you'll feel that sense of being held in meditation comes and goes. The fifth sign that your meditation is working is you feel out of sorts if you don't meditate. I use this cat analogy when I'm lecturing, where if you don't meditate, you feel like a cat with its fur stroked the wrong way. You know, it's all kind of pretty gnarly. Once you've meditated, the fur gets smoothed down the right way, and you feel calm, you feel more together, you feel centered. The sixth sign your meditation is working is that events in the world don't seem to affect you in the same way. It's like things happen, events happen, they come and they go, but somehow there's something inside you that remains unperturbed, undisturbed, silent, still, watching, but not caught up in the events. This is a very powerful sign, and it's the sign of a mature meditator. The seventh sign your meditation is working is that you have more frequent bouts of meditation without thoughts coming in. As you learn to sharpen your awareness of the device, it's like bringing your focus back to the device every time a thought comes in. It's not about squashing thoughts or stopping thoughts. It's just about seeing them come, seeing them go. But each time you get dragged away by a thought, you bring your awareness back to your device. And then it's like sharpening a knife. The more you sharpen the knife, the more you have this ability to cut through the thoughts, let them fall by the wayside, and there you are at the pointy end. The eighth sign that your meditation is working is if you use a meditation app, you might find that you feel less of a reliance on the app. It's almost like the meditation is taking over, and so the external factor of the app kind of falls to the wayside. You may even feel that the app is holding you back in some way, and that is a very powerful sign. The invitation is for you to let go of the app altogether and go free-form in your app. You can still use the meditation process offered by the app, but let the meditation follow its own process rather than waiting for the external stimuli coming from the app. All of this is an indication that your meditation is working very well and that something is building in your practice. Now, the ninth sign your meditation is working is you don't react when you realize you've drifted off into thoughts. You know, you can spend a lot of time drifting, noodling around in thoughts. Instead of getting upset about that, you just bring your mind back to your device. The device may be your breath, watching the breath in the nostrils. It may be a mantra. It may be focus on a chakra. It may be the focus on a flame, as in the Hindu process of Tratak. Remaining equanimous when you do drift off into thoughts means that you're achieving a certain sense of maturity in your meditation. Now, the 10th sign your meditation is working is during your meditation, superior states of stillness, of peacefulness, of feeling held in meditation, a sense of connectedness perhaps, descends upon you. And in that altered, transformed state, you hold that state. In fact, what's happening is there's a raising of your vibration. There's been this alignment inside you between your physical body, your mind, the higher parts of yourself, the ethereal parts of yourself, we should actually say. And this is a very powerful state to enjoy. Stay with that state as long as you possibly can. And eventually it will fade. But the more your meditation matures and develops, the more you'll have longer states of these connected, peaceful, altered states of consciousness. The 11th sign your meditation is working is you find that those states that I've described in sign number 10, those states come to visit you in your day-to-day life. You may be at work, you may be driving a car, you may be hanging out with a friend, and you just feel this state descend upon you. This is a state of grace. It's a state of superior stillness, a calmness, a completeness, a wholeness. When these states descend upon you in your worldly activities, it's really important to acknowledge them just by being present to them. Often you can be in a busy environment, and yet here is this state that's with you. And so let yourself go silent and still inside. You don't have to participate. Sometimes other people will actually pick up on that state. They won't know what it is, they don't know where it's coming from, but they'll also enjoy that state. I've seen rooms of 200, 300 people fall silent as a state has fallen upon the room. It is certainly something to be enjoyed and savoured. It is a state of grace after all. Now finally, the 12th sign your meditation is working is a growing sense of separation between yourself and what you are doing and watching yourself do in the world. It's as if you are watching a play where you are both the actor on the stage and at the same time you're the audience watching the actor on the stage. There's an old saying that goes, being in the world but not of it. Well, that's what it means when, through the degree of separation that the meditation state builds inside you, that you can be involved on the stage, but a part of you is held back and is holding and is watching you act on the stage of the world. Well, that's all for now. These are, in fact, just some of the many signs that show that your meditation is working. Once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips, techniques, and context to help you improve your meditation experience. And if you've enjoyed this video, please pass a comment below, and also subscribe and hit the like button. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you.